tip of everybody's tongue. Started his road to the Triple Crown at a place you might not suspect. The home of Paul Redham and his wife, Zilla.
Paul's not a drinker. Sounds corny, but he likes cookies. Then Zilla will bring us some cookies and he'll finish that batch and he'll be like, I'll have another. So that's where the name comes from. But, being